Hey photographers out there, or YouTubers, or tech reviewers, this is Luce Rivera here, and I want to talk to you guys about K&F Concept Bag. Yes, it's a bag that nobody really wants to talk about because what's so interesting about a bag. But I'm here to tell you that this bag is not only just great all around, it's great on the go. So stay tuned and we'll talk more about it. So what fits in this bag? I mean, I've had numerous ways that I can actually describe them to you, but it's going to be up to your imagination to what you want to put. You can put a drone in there, or the DJI Mavic Pro drone. You can put a camera body and 2 lenses, or you can put a camera body, a lens, or a microphone. You can, again, it's all depends on what you guys want to get it for. And honestly, it's small, it's on the go, it's convenient. Again, I can't stress this out enough. It's great. It's really great. But something that I also went out is that I did a little field test with it. I tested for weatherproof, how good the actual seams come to be, and I have to say it was pretty good to me. It has like a nylon bag underneath where you can just pull it out, and you just put the nylon bag on top of the camera bag for extra protection, so you can make it waterproof. But now be careful when I say that, because even though it can be waterproof, you come back later and then you'll attack me and be like, hey, you said this. I'm just saying it's pretty, I gave it a couple tests and it was all right. Everybody's experience is different. Is it washable? Yes, it's very washable. You can wash it by getting a cloth, getting some detergent, and when you wash whatever stains you may have on it. You can put it in the washer, but it's not recommended. It has clips on the side where you can actually, put other lenses. Like for example, if you want to put some small prime lenses and just kind of have something, in case you want to carry more than just the 2 lenses itself inside the bag, you can put those on the side and it'll fit pretty good and still on the go. So what's pretty cool about that bag is that I haven't seen this when I usually buy camera bags, but this one comes with the like little lens cleaning kit, which is really useful. And thank you, K&F, by the way, because this is smart. You don't have to go out to a store having to buy an extra cleaning kit, because guess what, your camera bag brings it for you. So that is awesome. I really stand by that, and again, you guys should get one again for that reason. One of the features that I like about it is that it has like little pictures describing where you want to put what. You can put batteries on one of the slots, you can put SD cards on the other, you can put again, more room for other things. I really didn't put too much in the bag because I didn't want to overwhelm the bag, but some of the stuff that I actually did put were just regular battery, SD slots, and I think a camera charger. That was about it. Either way, it all fit pretty good, worked to what I needed to do. I used it for a wedding. It was really convenient. I used it, went on the go, bam. So if you want to know more about K&F Concept, I'll put a description about it on the link below here. But guys, if there is something that I have not described in this video, please don't hesitate to give a comment below. Let me know more that I might have not noticed, or that you have, or your experience with K&F Concept. So guys, this is Luce Rivera. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like for more videos. Thanks.